The day I got the diagnosis at 36 or 37, I panicked. I felt like someone had given me a diagnosis of cancer. I knew I was sick. I knew I had mixed edema on my legs. I knew I couldn't hike camelback anymore. I could barely get to the first platform. So I was almost vegan back then. And I thought that was going to fix me. And I was getting puffier and puffier and puffier and puffier. And I'm thinking, what the? I had two babies. I was running my solo OB practice, delivering. I was getting no sleep and then trying to keep up with 28-year-olds. And the weight was not falling off of me. Like I was just getting bigger and bigger. And I think it was the loss of control of my leptin back then that triggered the whole problem. I already knew mitochondria were the answer. Like for 15 years, I knew that the mitochondria were the answer. So I started cold plunging for 45 minutes at a time in my pool. I was out there at 6:30 in the morning. I was out there at noon with my kids. Like I just wanted myself to shiver to burn some calories because I couldn't efficiently manage the calorie. I could not get the fat off with calorie management. And I couldn't hike camelback when I did when I was 35. Like it was a chore for me to just walk up 56th Street. So I was cold plunging a long time. It was probably that spring that I started cutting carbs. And that combination of prolonged sitting in 55-degree water all fall and cutting the carbs out, at least intermittently, made it all get better.
How or what was it like to get off the medication?
I was so fucking thrilled. And then I thought, if I can fix this in myself, I can teach other people how to fix it.
Yep.
But I can't make promises. So all I can do is tell them, if I tell you what to do, it's up to you to do the things and let's see what happens. I know what I do to my body to make the symptoms come back. And as soon as I hit that threshold, I know what I do to my body to make it go away.